This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Jen Freeman and Leah Cruz. Fantastic single-level living just minutes to the heart of Blaine. Welcome to West 99th Street. This is the floor plan you've been waiting for. 3-bedroom no stairs rambler with the primary suite privately tucked away from the other bedrooms. Light and bright open concept living / dining / kitchen design features hardwood flooring, stunning rock feature wall with gas fireplace and direct access to deck and backyard. Quiet established neighborhood with the flexibility of no HOA plus expansive Canadian mountain views. A few cosmetic updates and this gem will shine again. Don't miss the opportunity to update to your tastes. Ideal location with easy access to I-5, 2 US/Canada border crossings and to downtown dining, shopping, schools and saltwater marina. For more information, review the details below or contact Jen Freeman and Leah Cruz at 360-815-0803.